Hello you guys, it's me here, Ranika from Challenges and More. Today for this video, I will be singing the song I'll Find You by Lecrae featured by Tori. If you guys want me to do more challenges like this, and just leave in the comments box down below and put hashtag Challenge Squad. And I just want to say a really quick warning, if I do not do that good on this song, I'm very sorry because there's like some rapping in it, and when rapping, I'm not really good at rapping, so I might stumble a little bit, and if you hear me doing some mistakes, please don't judge. But I really want to do this song because it's really it means a lot to me. So sorry if I mumble on the parts where I'm rapping or something. It's just because the words go too fast and I'm not one of those people who rap. Anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Just fight a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. I'm hanging on by a thread, and now I'm clinging on to prayers. And every breath is like a battle. I feel like I'm prepared. And they're talking on the front door. Pain's creeping through the back. Fears crawling through the windows, waiting for them to attack. They say don't get bitter, get better. I'm working on switching them letters. But tell God I'ma need a whole lot of help keeping it together. I'm smiling in everyone's face. Whenever they leave the room, they don't know the battle I face. They don't understand what I'm going through. I don't know maybe myself. I'm just trying to plan to go. I'm trying to remember the way. I'm trying to get back to my home. But I can't do this on my own. That's why I'm just trusting in you. Because I don't know where else to go. And I don't know what else to do. Just fight a little longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. This fear haunts and pain hates. The pain strengthens. The fear dies faith. And I don't know what outcomes, don't know what happens tomorrow. But when the ocean of doubt comes, don't let me drown in my sorrow. And don't let me stay at the bottom. Don't let me keep climb. I'm looking for a way out, but it's so settled for a peace of mind. Picking up all the pieces of my life and hoping that I can put them together something right. Tell me y'all that I got this and I'm fight. I'm myself and I'm trying to go. I'm trying to remember the way. I'm trying to get back to my home and now I'm gonna do this my own. That's why I'm just trusting in you. Cause I don't know what else to do and I don't know where else to go. No, let the fear make you feel like you can't fight this on your own. Now you know, be for you no matter where you go. You'll never be alone. Ooh. Try to live longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you longer, my friend. It's all worth it in the end. But when you got nobody to turn to, just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. I'll find you. I'll find you. Just hold on and I'll find you. Anyways, you guys, that was it for today's video. And please keep in mind that I did search up a YouTube video of the lyrics to this because I don't know all the words by heart. So I will leave the link to this video in the description box down below. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.